Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to install and use the Cineverse app on your Amazon Fire TV Stick, step by step. Cineverse is a completely free and legal streaming app that allows you to watch movies, TV shows, and exclusive content without any subscription or sign-up. So, without wasting any more time, let's get started. First of all, make sure your Amazon Fire TV Stick is properly connected to the internet. Now, take your Fire TV remote and press the Home button to go to the home screen. From there, scroll to the top and select the search option. Using the on-screen keyboard, type Cineverse. Once Cineverse appears in the search results, click on it to open the app page. Now, click on the Download or Get button and wait a few seconds while the app installs on your Fire TV Stick. After the installation is complete, click on Open. When you launch Cineverse for the first time, the app will load its home screen, where you will see different categories such as movies, TV shows, trending content, and featured titles. The best part is that you do not need to create an account or log in. You can simply browse the content and start watching right away. Using your Fire TV remote, you can easily navigate through the app by scrolling left or right to explore different titles. Press the OK button to select a movie or TV show and use the back button to return to the previous menu. Cineverse offers smooth HD quality streaming, and since it is a legal app, you don't have to worry about buffering issues, account bans, or security risks. Cineverse is a great choice for Fire TV Stick users because it is completely free, legal, and easy to use. There are no subscriptions, no IPTV setups, and no extreme codes required. It's a simple and safe way to enjoy entertainment on your Fire TV Stick. That's it for today's video. This is how you can install and use the Cineverse app on your Amazon Fire TV Stick in just a few simple steps. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.